Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hoping that you all are doing good. Now let's get back to the video. Today let's see how to make chicken cheese balls. These are the ingredients required. To make chicken cheese balls, I have boiled chicken. I have added here 500 grams of chicken. Add salt as per your taste and add pepper powder. I have added here 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Once the chicken is boiled, shred the chicken. As shown here, I have taken here 3 potatoes, chicken, breadcrumbs, coriander leaves, mozzarella cheese, 2 eggs, pepper and salt. To the boiled and smashed potatoes, add the chicken which you shredded, add the coriander leaves, add half tablespoon of pepper powder and salt as per your taste. If you need a bit spicy, you can add chili powder. I have added here half tablespoon of chili powder. Now mix the mixture well. I have cut the mozzarella cheese into small pieces. For the coating, take 2 eggs, mix it well, add salt as per your taste. Now take the chicken and potato mixture. You can even skip potatoes. You can do it with only chicken. You need to mince the chicken and do it. I have added here mozzarella cheese in the middle of the mixture and made balls of it as shown here. Coat the balls well with the egg and then with the breadcrumbs. To know how to make breadcrumbs, I have made a separate video on it, so do watch it. Do try this recipe. I'm sure you all will love it. You can serve it as a starter or have it at your break times. Repeat the procedure, do the same for all. You can make at least 12 cheese balls out of this. I have kept all the 12 cheese balls ready. Now in a pan, add oil. Once the oil is heated, reduce the flame and then add the chicken cheese balls. Fry them on low heat till they turn golden brown and turn crispy. You can serve it with tomato sauce. Family, do try this recipe and do let me know in comment section if you like it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the videos I make. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.